Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? I know, I promised y'all a whole eye look with the Tom Ford Photosynthesex palette. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This one right here. And if you want to see how your girl got this eye look using this palette, then you just keep on watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or...
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to come in and give you guys a look with the Tom Ford Photosynthesex palette. And I really enjoyed this palette out of all the palettes that I purchased in that haul, or got from Mother's Day rather. This really is one of my favorite ones. And to me, it's very brown girl friendly. If all these colors showed up, I didn't have to wet none of these colors. Literally, I took them from pan to eye. And you definitely got pigmentation from these shades. And I really like this palette, y'all. So if you've been looking to get a Tom Ford palette and you wanted to make sure it was going to show up in your skin tone, this one right here, I say yes, go for this one. But y'all, that is it for the video. Make sure you're following your girl on Instagram at It's Lori's Life. And if you're not already a part of the Grown Women's Table, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. Until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life, yeah, it's Lori's life.